How to add questions and additional requirements to job posts. When creating a job post, you have the option to include questions, specify additional information, and request a cover letter or video recording from applicants. Here's how to enhance your job post with these requirements. Adding mandatory questions and requirements. Step 1. Create your job post. Begin by setting up your job post as usual. Step 2. Specify applicant qualifications. Navigate to the third page of the job post creation process titled Other Details. Complete fields such as minimum education and years of experience to effectively filter applicants. Optionally, you can request a cover letter or a video recording from applicants. Examples for experience requirements. At least 2 years of experience in bookkeeping. At least 1 year of experience as a virtual assistant. At least 5 years of experience in graphic design. At least 2 years of experience with CSS. At least 1 year of experience with QuickBooks. Important considerations. Applicants can still apply. Candidates who do not meet the minimum qualifications can still apply. However, by setting specific requirements, you can better filter and identify suitable candidates. Balance experience requirements. Be mindful that requiring extensive experience may reduce the number of applicants. This could mean missing out on potentially great hires. Be realistic and practical. Set requirements that are achievable and relevant to the role. Avoid unrealistic expectations of extensive experience in multiple unrelated skills. Aim for a balanced approach to attract high-quality candidates. If you need further assistance or have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.